Howard County buyers are signing contracts at the fastest pace in years. But if you're a seller and your home isn't priced right, it might sit for months. Here's what the January numbers are telling us. Hi, I'm Ryan Jakubowski with the Hulsman Group of Coldwell Banker Realty. This is your February 2026 Howard County Market Update. In the next few minutes, I'll break down what's actually happening and what it means for you. Howard County is in a market of two stories right now. On the one hand, buyer demand is picking up. We saw strong pending contract activity to start the year. On the other hand, inventory has risen sharply and homes are sitting longer before selling. This isn't a buyer's market or a seller's market in the traditional sense. It's a market where preparation and pricing separate the wins from the frustrations. Let's start with the demand signal because it's genuinely encouraging. New pending contracts in January came in at 204. That's up 14.6 from January of last year. Buyers are out there and they're making moves. Closed sales were down slightly at 148. That reflects closings from contracts signed in November and December when the market was slower. The pipeline heading into spring looks healthy. Here's where it gets interesting. Active listings jumped to 275, up 41% from a year ago. More choices for buyers means more competition for sellers. And the days on the market tells the real story. 50 homes, about a third of all sales, sold in 10 days or less. But 42 homes, another 28%, took over a month. The market is splitting into two, and which side you land on comes down to how well your home is positioned. On price, the median sold price came in at $515,000, down about 4.5% from last January. Sellers are roughly getting 97.8 cents on the dollar relative to list price. That's still strong, but it's a signal that overpriced homes are getting negotiated down before they close. And on the rate front, the 30-year conventional is sitting right around 6%. FHA is at 5.65, VA at 5.67. For buyers who've been waiting on the sidelines, those numbers are worth taking a look at. The bottom line for Howard County right now, well-priced, move-in ready homes are selling fast. Overpriced homes are sitting and eventually selling for less. If you're thinking about buying it or selling this spring, the strategy you bring to the table matters more than ever. I'd love to help you think it through. Link below to the complete market update.